Okay, welcome back. This video is going to be about the elevator control throw, and you can see the meter right here on it. Let me zoom in so you can see it a little better. Okay, so it's sitting right on 0, and the book says the recommendation is 3/4 of an inch up or down. So I'm going to start on low rates and see what that looks like. So 3/4 of an inch, and I'm getting 1 and 3/8. So mid rates are 1 and 5/8. High rates are 2 inches.
Mid rates, low rates.
Okay, so high rates are 2 inches. All right, so I'm going to split the difference here. What I'm going to do is go into DR and Expo, change to elevator.
Low rates.
And let me back out, show you where I am on my radio. So here's the radio, and I'm on elevator, low rates. Okay, and that's 70%, and that's probably going to be too much. So 3/4, I'm going to shoot for something less than 3/4 on low rates. So I'm going to change the 70% down to probably, I'm going to guess 50. See how that does. That gives me 1 inch. I want to go a little less. So let's go 40. So 40 is that's not quite enough. I think I'm going to go a little higher. I think I'll go back to 45. Let's see what we get on 45. Okay, so right there up to there is 7/8. Yeah, I'm going to go 7/8 for the low rates. Okay, here, let me let you see what that looks like. Okay, so up to there is 7/8. And down 7/8 looks good. So up and down 7/8 for the low rates. And that was okay. So that was 45% on low rates. So 45% for low rates. I'm going to probably say this is going to be about 70. Let's see what 70 gives us. 1 and 3/8. I really want 1 1/4 inch, so let's try 65. 1 1/4 inch. Yep. Okay, so we'll go 65 for mid rates, and 1 1/4 inch down there, and then of course high rates. Oops, sorry. High rates are 2 inches up, 2 inches down. Okay. Don't take off in high rates. Okay, so low rates are it's really 7/8, between 3/4 and 7/8. Mid rates are 1 1/4 inch. High rates are 2.
Mid rates, low rates, mid rates, high rates, mid rates, low rates.
Okay. And so I think that's going to work okay for mid rates. I mean for the elevator. Big difference, but that's okay. That's kind of what I expected. The way we set up the airplane, we have it in the mid position on the horn and fully extended over there, so we're getting quite a bit of control throws. I can dampen it down. Probably not changing the control horn, but I could move the arm in if I wanted to, but I think I'll just live with the low and mid rates, and the high rates will only be for doing really wild acros. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.